We research several aspects of inflammatory bowel disease. So one particular area that we're interested in is understanding who develops inflammatory bowel disease, and then once you have it, who develops flares of disease. And so this is an area of study actually that the Crohn's Colitis Foundation has funded, where we're looking at environmental exposures that may predispose to the development of IBD and may also increase the risk of having flares of disease as well. I've been sort of open about my story of being diagnosed with Crohn's disease as a teenager. So when I think about my past and what led me to this path, despite everyone suggesting I should be a cardiologist, I always kept coming back to gastroenterology, inflammatory bowel disease research, and ways in which we can improve people's lives, such as myself and patients that I take care of. I know what it's like to have the hours of the day taken away from you when you're sick, or not being able to participate in social events, or losing time at school because you're sick, all the time and money spent going to doctor's appointments, infusions, injections, and so forth. I can personally relate to that. And so it gives me a little more insight into the patient experience, and it also gives me a lot more, not insight just into the experience, but also in how to make a plan that works for an individual patient. I always usually end on a plea to patients that if you're not doing well, that there are resources for you. There are doctors and academic centers across the United States and across the world who can help you. And so if you're not doing well, if you're not feeling like you're getting better, that there are resources for you, and the Crohn's Colitis Foundation could do a great job of bringing those resources to individual patients.